Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. But before we get started, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe and to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the soft Glam palette, and I'm going to go with the color Orange Soda, and I'm taking that on my Makeup Shack T43 brush, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm switching over to the Modern Renaissance palette, and I thought I was going to go in with Love Letter, but no. I'm going to go in with the color Real Gar. I don't know how to say it, but I'm just taking that on like this old Sonia Kashuk brush that I got in like a set, and I'm just using that to deepen up my crease. And just to make the colors blend a little bit better, I do go in with the other brush that I used, the Makeup Shack T43 brush, and I just go in to blend those colors together without adding extra product to the brush. Okay, so now going back into the soft Glam palette and taking the color Rustic, and this brush is just, I don't know where I got this brush actually, I can't even talk, oh my goodness. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to go in and deepen up the crease even more. I do take all these colors pretty close into my inner corner just because I do want the colors to show up when I cut my crease later on. Okay, so taking my favorite concealer brush, this is the Crown brush. I don't know the number, but I will have it listed down below. I always have that listed down below because you guys always ask. I don't know why. But anyways, okay, so then I'm taking my Nars Creamy Concealer and I'm going to use that to carve out my crease. And I do end up taking it pretty far to the other side, as you'll see like once I'm doing it on the video. But I do tap it out with my finger just to create like a sticky base for my next colors. And you'll see why. Okay, so now to set that concealer, I'm going to take the color I don't know what it's called. I don't know how to say it. So that one corner color. And I'm going to set my concealer just in the corner though. You'll see how far I go. Okay, so now I'm going to apply Orange Soda to the center of my eye. I am leaving the outer corner not set with eyeshadow yet. Because I am going to go in with the color Real Gar from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color Rustic. I didn't show what I do after this. I don't know why I didn't show it. But anyways, I go in with the color Citrus Umber. It's the darker shade, the darker brown in that palette. And I do go and deepen it up even more. I just don't know why they didn't show up in this. Oh, hey, I do. Never mind. There it is. See? So now I'm going to apply the Shopwear Beauty Glitter Confetti using the NYX Glitter Glue. And I'm only going to apply that where I used that white shimmer color. Oh, yeah, mama. Oh, my little sister woke up, so she's here. Anyways, I'll show you how I apply that whole glitter thing in the video. Okay, bye. For lashes, I'll be using the Top Lash lashes from eBay, the ones that Nazanin Kovari uses, or used, I don't know, but they're only $1, so I will have that link down below. And a lot of you guys have been asking me to show my full face routine on like a video, but it's the same thing over and over again. But I went ahead and prepped my skin with the Badescu setting spray or facial spray, and then I used these argan oil and vitamin E oil drop things from Pearl Essence that I got at like TJ Maxx for like $6. And I also added those to my foundation. And I used the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. Yeah. Concealer, I'm going to use the Nars Creamy Concealer. And I will be setting that with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I do only set underneath my eyes. I don't bake because I don't know. I don't. I didn't know. Okay, now to set the rest of my face, I will be taking my Sephora Microsmooth powder and a fan brush and just lightly dusting it all over the places where I didn't set before. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. And yeah, I accidentally like poked it with my nail. Okay, so for blush, this is an old NYX blush, and it's called Terra Cotta. I honestly don't even think they make it anymore. I've had it for so long. That's probably not really good. I probably should throw it away by now. But yeah, I'm sure you can find like a similar color to this somewhere. I do go and contour a little bit more using the Chocolate Soleil Too Faced bronzer, but this is just like a sample size that they gave me at Sephora. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Sleek Makeup Highlighter Palette. I believe this one's called Cleopatra's Kiss. I'm not so sure, but I will have it linked down for you guys below in case it's like the different one. But I'm just using the lighter cream like highlighter, and then I'm going to go ahead and layer the powdered one that comes in the palette as well, because it has 2 highlighter powders and then 2 cream highlighters. Okay, so now that I'm done with the face, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with the color Orange Soda. That was our transition color, and I'm just going to apply that all underneath my eye. And then I do go in with the color Sienna from the Soft Glam palette, and just to deepen it up a little bit more. And I did want it to be a little bit darker on the outer corners, so I do go in with the color Cypress Ombre. I don't know how to say that color. And yeah, I just apply that to the outer corner of my eye. I do line my eyes with the NYX eyeliner pencil. I believe this one's from NYX. And then I do go in with the NYX Jumbo eye pencil and apply the color Milk into my inner corner just to add it as a base. And then I go in with the highlighter, the powdered highlighter that we used, and apply that on top of it. Okay, so for lips, I did go in with this lip pencil, but I ended up switching it with the lip liner from MAC in the shade Cork, and then I went over it with the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in True Brown K. I didn't really end up liking such a brown lip, so I did switch it with, I went over the same lip pencil, Cork by MAC, and then I went in with Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Naked, and I just added that in the middle, and then I went over it with the Clinique lip gloss in the color Caramel Pop, and you'll see once it's, yeah, you'll see me doing it right now.
Después de todo yo ya me cansé, bebé, yo te boté, te di banda y te solté, yo te solté, pa'l carajo te mandé, yo te mandé y de mi vida te saqué.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And also, please don't forget to push that notification bell just so you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.
Hello?
That's weird. Please don't forget to